What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And have you ever wondered how to make delicious homemade lemonade? Trust me, it's a lot easier than you think, and it all starts with the lemons. So, let's get cooking. Oh, that's so sour. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna slice up some fresh lemons. If you guys don't know how to squeeze your own lemonade, go ahead and watch this little B-roll right now, and I'll show you how to get that nice fresh lemonade. So go ahead and watch that right now while I finish chopping this up. Now, I love this lemonade because of how fresh it is, and it's just so refreshing, and it's so simple to make. It just takes those 3 ingredients. And if you're lucky enough, you might have a neighbor that has some lemon trees that, you know, they might be willing to trade you some food or some fresh lemonade, and I love it. So now that we have juiced our lemons, we're going to go ahead and we are going to add the juice of 1 1/2 right into our pitcher. Let's pour that right in. Now, instead of using sugar or a Splenda, what we're going to do is we're going to use an agave nectar. So what the agave nectar is going to do is it's going to add a nice depth of flavor to our lemonade. It's going to add that sweetness that we're looking for, but at the same time, it's not going to be overly sweet. That's what I love. So take a nice golden agave nectar and pour that in. That's about 1 cup of agave nectar. And that's going to be followed up with about 1/2 gallon of nice, clean, fresh water, or about 8 cups, whichever you like to measure out better. We'll go ahead and add that right in.
Now ram it! Ram the building! Ram the apartment!
So you can actually use this container once you're done serving, and you can keep this and store it in the fridge for about a week or so. So now that we have combined all of our ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give that a nice swirl and mix everything up together. And there you go. Bam. You got yourself a delicious agave nectar lemonade. It is delicious, tasty, and your friends are gonna love it. Okay, so that's all the time I have for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button down below. Make sure you drop a comment down there. Let me know how you like to make your lemonade at home, and let me know if you've made this recipe. So, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my fresh lemonade, and I'm gonna go enjoy. You guys have a great rest of your day. So make sure that you're staying full, staying healthy. Bye, guys.